All right. It's a privilege to be here with our students and community as we dedicate this unique tower. For almost 100 years, the Woodbury building has been a symbol of the district and the Shaker Heights community.
And we've been anxiously awaiting this moment for over a year now, and the day has finally arrived. Our clock tower and our bell tower are complete. Can we give a round of applause to that? First, I would like to thank the Business and Operations Department led by our Assistant Superintendent, Mr. Steve Wilkins.
Let's show some enthusiasm and give your parents who are in attendance a big round of applause. Nice and loud, students.
And here we are now this morning, embarking on your 5th grade journey. Mrs. Brewster's homeroom. Mr. Brooks's homeroom. Mr. Englander's homeroom. And Mrs. Thomas Taylor's homeroom. Welcome, 5th graders.
Miss Dr. Goodrum's homeroom.
I am Ellie O'Brien, Woodbury Student Council President. Today marks a special day for Shaker students and residents, past and present. It was more than a year ago when our bell tower started to lean and the cupola and the bell that stood tall over Woodbury Elementary School needed to be taken down for repairs. Many of us knew the familiar bell tower as the symbol of Shaker, but it had a more important role. The bell, weighing almost 2,000 pounds, was hung in 1919, right after the foundation to Woodbury was laid. We are here to dedicate the renovation of the clock tower and the display of the bell. Work was completed during the summer, and the clock tower and cupola proudly display the symbol of Shaker once again.
Woodbury students will be open-minded. We will appreciate our own culture, and we will be open to other individuals.
Take responsibilities for our own actions. Woodbury students will be caring. We will show respect for the needs and feelings of others.
Woodbury students will set goals and use our growth mindset to reach beyond.
Woodbury.
Oh, say, can you see Mother Dawn's early and the home of the brave?
Mr. Young alluded earlier to the pavers down below and a great project that the PTO put together that you all can participate in.
Perhaps have you grab water and kind of stick around for pictures and such. Thank you all so much. Have a good day.